Bills set Holmgren at 18-16 5 blocks. Most for a Game 7 NBA Finals history. Alex Caruso takes them while each shipped in 10 points and 3 steals off the bench. OKC 7-0 this postseason in game following a loss. Thunder are the second youngest team in NBA history to win a chip, bring home the first title in OKC franchise history. So after the game, Finals MVP SGA had this to say about becoming a champion.
It was amazing. So much weight off my shoulders. So much stress relieved. Like, no matter what, like, you go into every night wanting to win, and sometimes it just doesn't go your way. And tonight could have been one of those nights, but we found a way. I'm so proud of this group. I wouldn't have rather done it with any other group in the world. It feels good to be a champion.
SGA signature shoot this fall. Thunder are the 4th team to win at least 84 games in the season, 3rd to win a chip in that same season, going to the 96 and 97 Bulls. So, Gil, during your appearance on First Take Friday, you predicted the Thunder would win Game 7 by 12 points. Sunday, the Thunder win Game 7 by 12 points. So how much respect does OKC deserve for winning that first chip? I mean, you got to give it. You did that. They fought all season, last 2 seasons. They got there. Didn't look good, especially being, the titan of the series. Didn't look good yesterday, but they found a way to pull out the win. We think about champions, we think about everything going right. Literally, nothing was going right for them. And, it never looked comfortable until towards the end where they broke away. But, that's what makes you a champion. That's what you got to put your hat on.
How do you know?
We were watching the game on play live. We saw when Howie went down. It was over. The best fan game. When you look at this Thunder squad, their road to a championship, one of the 3 teams in 84 wins this season. No one won a chip. How much respect does OKC deserve? It deserves respect. Can you look at this Thunder squad? I'll read a couple stats for you. They were plus 259 at the best home point differential in a single playoff. Plus 131 best turnover differential.
Is he saying he's the best
19
player?
best record following a loss in a single season, and plus 1247 best point differential.
And like his career, he has the best career for OKC because I mean that's like anybody that won a championship, of course. I mean, people say, okay, they never won a championship. So anybody that comes to OKC, I mean, that's not saying anything. But saying that he's the best player to ever play for OKC, my nigga, you're not saying he's better than Kevin Durant. Are you saying he's better than Kevin Durant? Are you saying he's better than Russell Westbrook?
They're very, very young in this. They can be very passionate at times. But this one is not. Whoever he's playing.
Are we saying he's better than James Harden?
Things like that. That's how you become special, right? When you look at things that you didn't do correctly in the previous game and did correct that real time. It says a lot about coaching. It says a lot about their IQ and their willingness to get better in those areas. Yeah, no, man, it was a complete job from coaching and players. Game 7. Indiana came out with a certain game plan. They went in at halftime. Oklahoma City adjusted. Started running pick and roll and things like that. Here they're doing it. So it was a very, very impressive run to it. Shout out to Oklahoma City Thunder. Last but not least, like you did, Oklahoma City Thunder join you as NBA champions. Now have the championship experience that you've had for several years. Oh, man, how much respect does OKC deserve for this playoff run and winning the first chip in their franchise? I'm just mad. I got to wear my championship shirt. Had to. Should have wore it. It's a great feeling. A lot of people will never get a chance to experience that. Man, I think, they won a championship when they brought Caruso over. They knew they were going to take away. And it's the little things, the little things. And I think Caruso brought that. I was just saying that nowadays they accomplished something that a lot of people didn't give him credit for. Man, people saying he was too young, didn't believe in the second option, Jalen Williams. Man, nobody really had him win it, and that proved a lot of people wrong.
What the fuck are we talking about? Nobody had them winning. They were the fucking odds-on favorite. What are we talking about? Like, who are we gaslighting? They were fucking minus 700 to win the series. They were the best team. You had Kendrick Perkins saying how they've been sliding their puppies all year long and that they were they're the favorites and nobody was beating them. I mean, I understand that people said that they were too young and that was the only thing that would keep them from winning the championship. But come on. You act like nobody picked against them. Like, what are we talking about? They were the favorite every single game of the series. At least a 5 to 6 point favorite every game. Stop it. Don't do that.
To be young and still go out there and get the job done, go through, teams like Denver, you go through some good teams to get there. Gotta just celebrate, man. Celebrate, just bring back memories, man. You wanna be on the bus? You wanna go? You know the daddy. Shake daddy. You wanna be on the bus to the field? So I'm Devon Alexander. I wanna be in the crowd. The crowd runs on the court, like everybody gets to enjoy it. Everybody knows. Here's a nosebleed people. Cheers. Yeah, man. Everybody else, I was still playing, so my first chance to go to a parade was 2020. And the city decided they wasn't going to allow us to celebrate. Yeah, COVID. Should have got one. They should have got one. If I'd known that I wasn't going to be a part of that, I would have just did the Black Lives Matter. Like the police thing. I'd have been probably. Nobody with the police thing. No, not in LA. I said things like that. The police didn't matter because they wasn't pepper spraying nobody. It was good over here. You know what I mean? Like, it was good over here. You know what I mean? There was nothing going to happen. So LA was looking on camera when, they had people on Zoom watching the game. So, but you know what? No, I had regular TV. I was watching the game. Well, I'm just saying, man, I didn't get the experience. That feeling like one of the best, like the greatest feeling for real in the world. That's what I heard. It looked like it. Bringing back skills. That night after too, like man, you don't